was on safe. Now it's all good to go.
Trigger feels loose.
No, it's going to feel a little bit loose, and then when it gets to the very back, it's going to go off. It's a different style of trigger.